What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. You join me in the sun today with the Vauxhall Corsa C. I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the rear fog light. Bit of a ball ache job, but they do fail in MOT, so they need to be working. You've got to take the bumper off, guys, but not to worry, I've already done a video on that, so I'm going to get straight into it today. I'm not going to mess about. Top right hand corner of your screen now, there's a link showing you how to get the rear bumper off. Click that link, watch the video and come back to me at this point, and we'll have a look at the actual fog lights themselves, how to get them out, how to get the fog light unit out, the bulb out and replace it, etc. So without further ado, let's crack on. Like I said guys, first thing you need to do is get the rear bumper off. These are your two fog lights here. And I've had a good mess and you just can't get to them really without getting the bumper off. So link at the top of the screen again now. Right guys, got the bumper off the car as you can see. So we're looking at the back of the bumper now. Yeah, you would have just undone this electrical connection that's in the bumper video. And while you've got your Torx bits out, which you would have needed to take the bumper off, change to a T15 Torx bit, the little ones. And that will do this bolt here for the mount itself. But first, say if you're just doing a basic bulb change for your MOT or whatnot, or you've just noticed they're not working, this just twists anti-clockwise and pulls out. It's so frustrating that you can, I mean, possibly if you squeeze your hand up the back, you might be able to get to the bulb and undo this without taking the bumper off. But you've got half a chance that you're going to crack the bulb dragging it out. I don't know if there's enough of a gap down this lower bit where it meets the back of the car to get an hand up and pull this back out. I'm not sure, but this is your fog light bulb. As you can see, this one's good element on it. So you get to this point, as for taking the bulb itself out, I think that's, so just push down and twist it anti-clockwise. Let's pop it out, let's pop the new one back in. I'm going to line it up with the little slots you can see there on your pins on the bulb. And trying to do it one-handed. And then push down and turn clockwise to lock it back in place like that. And the same with the unit itself, you just slide it in, find where it clips in like that, and turn clockwise, and I'll lock it in. So that's the bulb change for your fog light bulbs. So obviously remember there's one on both sides, exactly the same setup on this side as this side. So, say you want the unit out, for example, you've reversed into somewhere. I've seen this on a few of these Corsas with this fog light setup, and it's in the prime place to catch stuff if you hit something reversing and it cracks the reflector or the bulb lens itself. It's dead simple. You've got one T15 bolt here, so we're just going to get a bit in that. Here we're off. Undo that like so. Not out of the way. Bolt, should I say? Screw, even. Now you might want to take the bulb back out again so you don't snag the wire or anything, but that's safe. So on one side, he says safe as it comes flying back. And this one now, simple, lift out your mount side first that way and then that way. This little bit on the end sort of slots under that, like you see that there. Yeah, and this is your fog light unit. So sort of this half's just a reflector there, and that half's the light itself. Dead simple. Not really much to say on these at this point. If you were replacing it, you'd have a full new one of these. Just flip it upside down, find that little groove, tuck it underneath that there. Let's put it back on, line your mount back up, and then we can put your screw back in. And then tighten that back up. You get the idea anyway, you don't need to see it all. And I can stick the bulb back in. Put that in place like so. And that's your fog light bulb changed, or the fog light unit itself changed. And that's about it really for this job. At this point now you've got to get the bumper back on. If you're not sure how, revert back to the video that helped me get it off. I can't put more than one link for the same video in the same video, so I can't put the link up again, but check down in the description below here and it'll always be there anyway. Right guys, sorry about the noise in the background, the car's currently getting cleaned. So that's about it for today's video, how to remove and replace the rear fog light on the Vauxhall Corsa C. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button guys, maybe request your own tutorial on your car. But that's about it from me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, peace.